Good morning, everyone. This is Michael McDowell from the Golden Gate Area Council STEM Committee, off on another little walk. Today we're going to look for conifers, or we also call gymnosperms. And I'm walking along Release Valley Road today, so please be careful if you come along here for traffic. All right, see you in a bit. As I said, we're walking along Release Valley Road today, so there's a little bit of road noise, but here's one of our first examples of a local or native tree. This is the Incense Cedar. You can see it's got nice flat leaves like this. The fronds look flat. You lay them out. And this is the Incense Cedar. Okay. Hey everybody, here's our next one. This is one of the more iconic conifers in California, and this is the Redwood, or the coast redwood. You can see it's got nice flat leaves coming off the stem, and we got the trunk there straight up and down, going up, and it goes up and away. And these are planted here along this road. Okay. Here we have another one. This is a pine tree. So we can see, looking up here, we have the pine needles coming off, and they come off in bunches of 3. They're about 5 centimeters long. We can see the pine cone up here. Okay, sorry about the flare from the sun. We have pine cones up there. Now we can't really tell if this is a Jeffrey pine or a Ponderosa pine. So let's go look up. The best way to tell now is come over here to the tree trunk and take a smell. Okay, take a smell, and that smells like turpentine. That means this is a Ponderosa pine. Okay, that's how we have to tell the Ponderosa pine from the Jeffrey pine. They look very similar otherwise, but it's the smell of the bark that makes the difference. Okay, see you in a bit. Here we have another example. This is what's called a juniper, or a Sierra juniper. And we can see as we get in close here, maybe the leaves look a little different. They're kind of scaly in appearance and opposite. Now I don't see any juniper berries on here, look as I might, but this is a Sierra juniper. Okay. Hi everyone, we have another pine tree here. This one's a little different than the ones we've seen before, one we saw earlier. This is a long feathery leaf. It's about 10 centimeters long, and it's in bunches of 3, 2 or 3 at the base. Okay, and you have the pine cone structure up there. Okay, so I'm not quite sure what this one is. Sorry for the road noise, but we will look this one up at home and see what it is. But this is another pine tree. Okay, see you in a bit. Hi everybody, we're wrapping up our walk today. I'm walking along here again. I'm walking along Release Valley Road on the bike trail. If you come out here, please make sure you're very careful. A lot of traffic comes along here. You've heard a lot of the road noise coming today. They come along here pretty fast. But we've looked today at 4 different types of conifers. We saw the Incense Cedar. We saw the coast redwood. We saw the Sierra juniper. And we saw a Ponderosa pine. Now remember, we distinguished the Ponderosa pine from the Jeffrey pine. They look very, very similar, but by the smell of the trunk. The Ponderosa pine has a turpentine smell, whereas the Jeffrey pine has a nice, lovely vanilla smell. Okay, this is Michael McDowell from the Golden Gate Area Council STEM Committee, signing off. See you later.